Check out. How you doing today?
I'm doing excellent today.
Can you tell everybody where you at?
I'm at CARTERS Park in Alexander, Arkansas.
What's going on, Mud family? You already know this is your boy, Fresh Gentleman 3. Yeah, I'm back with the live and the lady. You already know what time it is. I had to step out there in the mud park to actually see what I don't see on the event days. Because a lot of people say that I just do events. So my thing is this. You know your boy, Fresh Gentleman 3 had to go out there and just see what we can do in the mud park without the event days. I had fun doing a lot of trail riding, met a lot of new people, and actually met people that actually love to subscribe to the channel. And my thing is, I say I appreciate you and thank you for that. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you actually subscribe to this channel, because I bring out some new content almost every week. And you know, this is your boy Fresh Gentleman 3 channel, and my thing is this: I can't hold you no longer. I'm out.
You gonna throw off? Uh-oh. What year is that?
2023.
Oh! Hey, first 2023 stuck in the mud hole right here. Can-Am outlet. Hey, stand up. Somebody got to stand up.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, keep straight. Hey, let off. Hold on, let off, let off. Four wheel? Yeah. All right. Look, he's dead.
That is deep. Bag up, Tyler. Tyler, bag up.
Hey, listen to the man. Don't put the heart in it.
He gonna roll this shit, he keep on.
Drinking, ain't it? Yeah, that's why I took. But hey, can you tell me what you just said, though? You gonna have to put this motherfucker in the cooler.
It ain't started.
Man, want me to tell y'all something, but what you want us to tell you?
Yeah, EF3 tornadoes last night. Did you not see it? Fuck my four-wheel up.
Let me see what it did.
But in case you didn't, the insurance company still did.
Y'all heard him here first, man. We out here at Carter's Off-Road, and you already know we got to fuck up on the Honda.
Oh, me. You got him.
Hey, that's an owl right there, Bo. You looking at that owl? Yeah. How you get over there?
Yeah, get me on camera now.
I got you. I ain't got you.
Hey, dude, what we got? Insurance.
Huh? We got what?
Insurance.
I know what you mean. Somebody that's over here that she said she followed me. Let's check her out. How you doing today?
I'm doing excellent today.
Can you tell everybody where you at?
I'm at Carter's ATV Park in Alexander, Arkansas.
Y'all heard it here first. We over here with some ladies. Well, we actually having some fun out here. It's just a little trail ride, so you already know how she do it. What'd you say your name was?
I'm Aaron Mercado.
Alright, it's good to meet you.
Good to meet you too,
I like
sir.
that shirt you got on.
Thank you.
Alright. I tell you about these darn Hondas, we out here with them, and I'ma tell you what's going on.
Look at these motherfuckers.
Look at this. I don't know. Hey, can you tell everybody where you at today, brother?
We are in the fucking goddamn water hole at the goddamn Carter Park. This motherfucker didn't want to follow everybody else. We're in the goddamn water.
You heard it here first. We out here in this water hole, and I'ma tell you. That's what Hondas do out here. We don't need no Honda. We got a Polaris pulling him out though. But don't worry about that. Hey, the guy that's driving, I know your thoughts. But look at this. We got a Honda for a Honda. Hopefully this right here. I'm gonna tell you, we out here at this whole. We got a Honda for a Honda. Hopefully this thing right here do some justice. This man right here, he mad. I'ma tell you. You got Fresh Gentleman 3 out here on the rampage. I'll tell you, I don't know what we need to do. Jerry boy, let me go get my spokesman. What we need to do with this man?
Hey, we need to park him because we just pulled him motherfucker out.
Oh my God, look at that. Look at it, did he dance? I don't know what we need to do. Polaris couldn't do it.
I told him, no, he. I told him, motherfucker. I need to.
Oh my goodness. Boy, I tell you, boy. Hey, what's that behind me? Yeah, you see. Oh,